You can see that just balances it out a little bit better. And here's our finished diamond. So this is our basic diamond using a double half hitch knot. Hey guys, welcome back to Bohemian by Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic diamond pattern using double half hitch knots, which you can use in all of your macrame pieces. If you need help on how to make a double half hitch knot, you can just check out the link below for my video on the 3 basic knots you need to know, which is including the double half hitch knot. So to start off, we will take our 2 cords in the center, and since we will be using our left cord as the filler cord, it will come in front of our right cord and we'll be making the diagonal on the right side. So using the cord behind, we will make a double half hitch knot. And as we make these double half hitch knots, we will keep pulling our filler cord in a diagonal towards the right, and that will form the top right half of our diamonds, like so. So we will make a double half hitch knot with each of these cords that are left on the right. And as we go through, that'll make a diagonal, and that will be the top half of our diamond, the top right half. So as we go through, it's important that you keep holding your filler cord at a diagonal so that you get the proper tension in the cords that you are making the double half hitch knots with, and that'll make your diamond a lot neater and more even and uniform. So you can see I let it go for a second, but as I tighten my double half hitch knot, I always readjust it back to that diagonal angle. So now we're getting to our last cord here, and you can see that diagonal line forming as we finish this side up. So that's our last double half hitch knot, and you can see here we have the top right half of our diamond right here. So now we want to make the top left half of our diamond. So we're going to take our filler cord for that side, which will be the first cord on the right side of our diamond. We will take the cord next to that and put it underneath and make a double half hitch knot. So we're going to be doing the same thing we did on the right side, just going in the opposite way. So we're going to continue using the rest of the cords on the left side, and again they will all be behind our filler cord, and we will be making double half hitch knots with each of the cords. So now we're coming to our last double half hitch knot, which we will make with this cord right here. And there's the second half of the top half of your diamond. So we have the right side and the left side, and now we want to work on the bottom half. So we're going to take this filler cord from the right side, and we're going to keep using it for the bottom half of our diamond. So it will come across like this, and as you work, you will take the cords from behind again and make double half hitch knots on your filler cord. So again, we're going to be taking the cords from behind and making double half hitch knots with them. So again, we're going to keep making double half hitch knots using the right half of our cords. So we're going to keep going till we get to the center, and that is when we will make our left half. So we have one more. And that'll finish the right bottom half of our diamond, as you can see here. So you can see we've done the right bottom half, and now we have to make the left bottom half. So again, taking the filler cord we used before in the top left half, we're going to bring this across And taking the cords from behind the filler cord, we're going to make double half hitch knots all the way through. So now we're coming to our last cord that we have to use for the bottom left half of our diamonds. And as we finish this, we'll have our two halves, and all that will be left is to connect them. So you can see right now the bottom is disconnected. We have the right and we have the left. So to connect them, we're going to take one of these cords and use it as a filler cord. It doesn't really matter which one, but since our right top half is a little bit longer because we started with it, we're going to make our left bottom half a little bit longer just to even it out, which means the left cord will be our filler cord and the right cord will go behind and make one double half hitch knot. So there's our first half of our double half hitch knot, and then here's the second half of our double half hitch knot. You can see that just balances it out a little bit better, and here's our finished diamond. So this is our basic diamond using a double half hitch knot. So thanks for watching. I have more tutorials on different variations of this coming up. Subscribe and check out my Etsy shop in the link below. Thanks for watching.